Oh man, my puppy has kennel cough. What do I do? Let's get into the video. Of course, this is a video of my personal experience. I'm neither a vet nor a medical expert, but I'll share what my vet told me. I called my usual vet and another vet who's, let's say, more natural, and they told me different things. I did this and it worked for me. First, if you have a kennel cough problem, you need to go and visit the vet. That's non-negotiable. Vets are the ones who studied for this and are the experts. I consulted, as I said, with my lifelong vet and also made a video with him. By the way, how times have changed. Before you could barely call.
And now you can do video
You're showing the dog, like, look what's happening, show me this. And how do you see it? The first vet I consulted has been my lifelong vet. Then there's a vet who's more natural, not so much into antibiotics. Well, and I always like to consult with both. One who is more natural and likes alternative medicine, like Bach flowers and all that. Okay, the first one prescribed me antibiotics and prednisone, which is a corticosteroid. The second one recommended vitamin C and syrups for the cough and mucus, and said that if it got really bad, then I should resort to the corticosteroid. But according to the second vet, it really lowers the dog's immune defenses and was only for serious respiratory issues. I'm just telling you what they both told me. All right? This is a video of my experience and how I managed to solve it. The cortisone, as I was telling you, was a thing that would lower the defenses and only used if there were severe breathing problems. As you know, kennel cough is a disease that can be contracted by contact with other dogs. It's like a plague. It can be contracted through contact with other dogs, or when dogs have gone to shows with lots of unvaccinated dogs, and so on and so forth. For example, it can also be contracted through contact with a utensil. If a puppy has it and the others eat from the same bowls, sometimes it even spreads through the air. Kennel cough can last between 20 and 30 days, but with vitamin C, syrups and antibiotics, it passed really fast. The puppies went from having a cough to having a runny nose and then to being completely healthy. It's amazing. As of today, the puppies have gone through the virus and recovered spectacularly. They're doing fantastic. They are strong and healthy. Practically, in 15 days, they had no trace of mucus left. It was intense work because it's every single day. You can't miss a dose because otherwise everything dilutes and it becomes a problem. If you miss a dose, it was absolutely amazing how it got resolved. Super, super incredible. Well, guys, let me know if you didn't know about this, if it happened to you. Share your experiences, and I'll see you in the next video. Best wishes, and bye-bye.